Many of us like to think that we know how to live our lives correctly. Well, you'd be surprised how much you actually do wrong each and every single day. Welcome to It's All Viral, and today we're going to be counting down the top 10 things that you do wrong every day. Ready to have your mind blown? Good. Let's go ahead and get started. Number 10. If you're cooking in a pot with a wooden spoon and you have to step away for a second, where do you put the spoon? If you answered anything other than in that little hole on the pot, you're wrong. Most all pots have a little hole on the handle that you can use to hold the spoon while you're away. Number 9. Take a look at this chart really quick. Are you folding your chip bags like this? Yeah, I didn't think so, but it's never too late to start. Number 8. Do you like to curl up in a ball when you sleep? Well, stop! Curling up when you sleep can actually damage your back. Try sleeping with your back fully extended and not curled or bent at all. Number 7. If you ever get a box full of soda cans and you unload them into your fridge one at a time, listen up. You can get them all in there in just a couple of seconds. Hold the box flat and take off the front and back flaps. Then, just put the box in the fridge, push the front, and boom, all of your soda cans are now in the fridge. Number 6. Ever wonder why Chinese takeout boxes are so strangely shaped? Well, that's because they're supposed to be used as a plate. Now, the next time you get some takeout, unfold the entire box and voila, you've got yourself a nice plate to eat off of. Number 5. Do you like to slice your watermelon? Well, you're gonna have to stop doing that too. The best way to cut into watermelon isn't actually to slice it, despite how easy that is. If you want to get the fullest flavor out of your watermelon, you need to cut it crosswise. Yeah, it takes a lot more time, but it's definitely worth it. Number 4. How do you eat your cupcakes? Did you know that the proper way to eat them is actually to pop off the bottom and then make a little sandwich out of it? Now keep that in mind the next time you're eating a cupcake. Number 3. Did you know that the average person discards about 30% of an apple? Well, that's because the average person is eating it wrong. Most people bite into apples from the side, but that actually causes more waste. Try eating an apple from top to bottom instead. This will allow you to eat more of it without having to waste any of that appley goodness. Number 2. Everyone loves a good burger. But if you hold your burger with one hand, you're actually doing it wrong. Next time you pick up a burger, hold it with your thumbs and pinkies on the bottom of the sandwich. That way the toppings will never slide out on you. And finally, the number 1 thing you do wrong every single day. Ever write something down and then not want anyone to see it so you cross it out? Well, the next time you do that, don't cross it out with a single line. Cross it out with some swirls or shapes. If you're trying to keep things confidential, straight lines aren't really going to keep anything secret. But alright guys, that's it for our list of 10 things that you're probably doing wrong every single day. Got any other tips? Be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, drop a like and subscribe for more great content. But that's going to be it for this one guys. Thanks so much for watching It's All Viral, and we'll catch you in the next one.